Just start by tapping your toes out in front. Hi, I'm Kim from Keep Fit with Kim, and I'm here with another 15-minute walking workout for you. Just check around your workout space that you've got enough room to move 2 steps each way, about the space of a fitness mat's good, and that you're not going to step or trip over anything or bash into anything. So let's add a little bit of attitude to that, so a little bounce if you can. Now if you're a complete beginner, slightly overweight, maybe a bit older, or recovering from illness, please pace yourself, make it smaller, maybe lose the bounce. Go with what's right for you, your body, your workout. But those that have been doing it a little while, add a little bounce, a little bend, just a tiny little bend as if you're almost sitting back in a chair. Not a very deep squat, just a little gentle bend. Let's take the feet out to the side, so tapping out. Centre foot stays where it is. Well done. So we're just warming up through the body. Let the shoulders relax. The arms hang out of the sockets and gently swing across with the feet. Well done. So those that want to make it a bit harder, you can add a little squat in the middle, or add a side leg lift to really challenge your balance, but it is your choice. If it's too much for you, this is fine too. We want to get to the end of the 15 minutes. So whatever you're doing great, yeah? Well done. If you're falling over doing this or overbalancing, then take it down a bit, take it back to tapping the toe. You're still going to challenge your balance, particularly if you take that leg out a little bit further. If you're still overbalancing there, just keep it small. Maybe keep the arms bigger and the feet smaller. Work with what's right for you. Well done. We're going to go for heel digs next, so keep going and join in when you're ready. So pushing those toes up towards the sky. And again, I'm just letting the shoulders relax, arms gently swing. And now let's bring in a little mini bicep curl. So a real gentle start today. Let's go back to the toe taps. With a little squat if you wish. Legs out to the side with a little balance. So whatever works for you. This is the more extreme version. I'm trying to lead with the heel. If you really want to work those muscles, nearly fell over then. This is going to work the muscles in your bottom. Watch you're not turning your toe out. Try and lead with the heel. But if you're doing a toe tap to the side, that's fine too. You're going to feel it in the sides of your bum, top of your hips. Surprisingly hard. I'm feeling quite warm. Well done. Just gently kick through the gap to the next track. Well done. I'm just wiggling my hips side to side, lifting the heels up. So a little bit of a jogger's walk. I'm adding a little bit of twist. So watch your ankles here. If it's uncomfortable on your ankles, alter the movement. Just lift the knees straight forward. Or if it's uncomfortable on your knees too, of course. Ready for side step. Now, as you're doing your side steps, I want you to shuffle yourself slightly towards your left because we're going to go to doubles. Double. A fairly fast track, so you might need to make the steps a little bit smaller. I'm trying to take the whole width of my mat. I say length of my mat, but I've got quite a big square mat here. You just can't see half of it off the front of the camera. So those that can, we're going to take it to a grapevine. So step, cross behind, step together. If that doesn't work for you, stay with the ordinary double step. I'm going to turn in a moment and show you how that works. You step, cross behind, step, feet together. Step, cross behind, step, feet together. Step. If you'd rather do it half time, that's fine too, or stay with your double side steps. Let's, for those that want it, add some arms and a knee lift on the end. Really is up to you. If that doesn't feel right, Just stay with where you were. And keep breathing. Are you ready? Hold it here. Knee lifts. I'm going slightly out to the side. Work slightly different muscles. If that doesn't work for you, you can just keep it as a little toe tap, opening out through the hip, turning out. Find this one quite intense. If you want to make it really harder, add arm movements, pulling down. I'm going to leave that out because for me, it's enough to concentrate lifting my leg off the ground. Well done. Let's take it down to the tap. Back to the jogger's walk, lifting the heels, maybe with a little bit of wiggle in the hips, just to give them a bit of a loosening after that intense knee lift work. Double side step. Well done. You're doing great. But don't worry if you're struggling with some of the moves. As long as you don't feel uncomfortable, make up what feels right for you. It's your body, your workout. You've got to do what feels right for you. Make it bigger if you want, smaller if you want. So whatever's right for you is right for you. I'm not going to dictate what level you do it at. I just want you to do the best you can for yourself. Okay, next time we're going to pause at the end, tap out, side, 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 side. So I'm just touching the toe out to the side. Toes on the floor, although I suppose if you wanted to, you could lift it, give yourself a bit more of a challenge. Keep moving, catch the beat, taking it to a little side step now. So as usual, it's your choice. You can keep it really small, particularly if it's going to hurt your ankles. If your ankles are a bit weak, keep it small. If you're slightly more experienced and your ankles are nice and strong, start taking it to a side step. Well done. Your body, your workout. Think about pulling that belly in. Well done. Just little side arms. You can slap them against your legs if you like. I'm keeping mine a bit quieter. It's nice to be you on the recording. Take it to the other side. So if you need to shift along a little bit to have some space, that's fine. And don't worry if you haven't got it, just keep those feet moving. Other side. Just face the arm this time. I'm here touching my shoulder now. Keep that arm as high as you can. Of course, if that's too much, take it lower. That's fine too. For those that want to challenge themselves, last 4, 3, 2, other side. So if that's too much for your arm, if it starts to ache, just swing it down. Well done. Aim is to get through the whole 15 minutes. And if you're finding it too easy, just make the movements a bit bigger. Add the arm movements. Let's change. Both arms if you can, but this is optional. Other side. When you start to feel any tension in your arm, let's change sides. We're going to take an angle this time. Again, options. If you don't want to have that arm as high, keep it low here maybe. Other side. Well done. Change. 3, 2, and change. Well done. And change. Let's lose the arms for 2, and back for 2. For 2. You're doing great. Let's go for singles. A bit like a double side step, but on the off count. Hold it here. And tapping into the toe. Little knee bend in between. The lower you make that bend, the harder it's going to be. You bend and tap with the toe. Just lifting onto one foot, tapping the other toe. So you can keep that really small if you want. If you want it here, that's fine too. But doesn't want to make it harder. Let's get some big arms. We're coming to the middle of the warm-up now, or the warm-up, the workout even. You should be nice and warm. Kicking the heel towards the bum. Just marching it through. You start to bring the body down, cool down a little bit. Bring the heels in front. So little heel digs. Stay facing me. I'm just turning so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm not doing really strong bicep curls now. I'm just letting the arms relax. Pause here, we're going to take the right leg out and in, out and in, out and in. Now if you want, you can bring a little knee lift up and take it out to the side and up, out and across. But if you don't, just bring it out and in, out and in, out and in. But keeping the arms low, really working that hip muscle, again to help your balance. Let's change sides. If you didn't get that change over, that's not a problem. Just catch up when you're ready. It really doesn't matter if you're not on the same beat of the music or if you're on the off beat, fine. More important that you just get some workout for your body, improve your strength, improve your cardiovascular capacity. Couldn't say that one today, could I? Let's take it back to a toe tap together. Well done. Keeping those arms nice and relaxed, but keep them moving. Try and really relax your shoulders. Taking the foot across now, toe tap across, and heel dig in front. You've done really well today. Take the toe taps out to the side. Again, arms are nice and relaxed, or shoulders at least. Just swinging the arms gently, elbows relaxed. Well done. Heel digs in front. Take that to toe taps. Now I'm going to change it slightly. Try and pull your belly in and not arch your back as you take the foot behind. So you might want to lean forward slightly. It makes it a little bit easier. Feel a little squeeze on your bottom and your bum. Okay, you can tell I'm English. I use different words. I know a lot of you watching this are in the States. I'm going to use the terms I'm used to. Take it out to the side. And let's finish with a stretch today. Usual stretch we do just to give the calves a little bit of a stretch. I'm going to start by just lifting up the heels and taking one heel back, bringing it in. Push that heel all the way into the mat, bring it in. And then I'm going to ask you to hold that right heel down into the mat. Watch they're both facing forward. If you find that you're wobbling a bit, take that front foot wider. And we're trying to keep the hips facing me at the front. I'm going to turn again sideways so you can see. So we don't want this sort of movement. I want the body facing the same way. Have a look at what's going on with your knee, knees above the ankle. Wherever that stretch is felt in the calf for you, or even wherever you feel the stretch in the calf. Well done. Sometimes I have trouble with my words. Okay, let's change sides. Let's just start by tapping back. Do the right leg the first time. Remember which leg you did. We want to stretch both. Have evenness in both sides of the body. Watch you've got your balance. Nice straight line. You can't see anything when I do it that way. Try and relax your head down. Once you're in position, don't look at me. Look down or look forward, relax. Feel what's going on with your body. Are you feeling the stretch in the calf? If not, maybe adjust the foot, turn the heel out a little bit. Feel it where you feel you need it. Front knee above the ankle, between the ankle and the toe. The knee shouldn't be dropping in. So what I mean by dropping in, it shouldn't be here, it should be straight forward. Have a look and see. Well done, shake out your legs. Well done for getting to the end of the workout. I hope you enjoyed it today. Join me again for another workout next time. See you again. Bye for now.